Hi guys, so we're at what is it called?
Dance recital.
We're at a dance recital, and it's our sister's turn.
All of this is taking place. I just want to share a little bit about all the things that we offer at Miss
She's
School.
right.
Classes and courses for people aged 3 to 103. So if you're between 3 and 103, we've got something for you. We have tap, jazz, ballet, point, flamenco, hip hop. I know I'm missing things, modern, repertoire. So we've got lots and lots of regular classes for kids to take during the week. But did you know about our adult program, where we have Senior Swan Ballet? I know, mature movers, I like to call it, the mature movers program. So we all.
It's my sister's recital.